Hey everyone! In today's super quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import a document into ChatGPT Canvas for editing. No fuss, no confusion. Let's dive right in. So start by clicking the plus button right over here below the chat text input box. Then once it opens, you will see two options: add photo and files, then add from apps. Once you move your cursor over here, there are three options: connect Google Drive, then for Microsoft OneDrive, both for personal and school work accounts. But today we're focusing on selecting the photos and files directly from our devices. So click this, then feel free to choose like your document, Word, PDF, whatever you got. Then once you select it, click open. And as you can see, your file is now attached and ready to go. Now let's launch Canvas. All you got to do, go over here to Tools, right next to the plus button. Then once you click this, you can click Write or Code. And there's another option. You can press this one, then click Canvas right over there, and this will toggle up along with the attached document you selected. And now you're going to be preparing your prompt, asking to ChatGPT on what you're going to do with this document. For me, simply, I'll go put this document in text format. Then once everything is settled, let's hit enter from the keyboard or click send right here. And as you can see, it's reading the documents. And as you can see right here, in just a quick seconds, there we go. Your document appears in the canvas, fully editable for you to do. Word per word, you're now free to tweak, reword, or rewrite anything you like. And yeah, that's it. A quick and simple way to import your doc into ChatGPT Canvas for editing. And if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And also, just smash the like button, that it could help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!